Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your SeatGeek account from your mobile device. This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and search for SeatGeek just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application, click on the download button, and once it is installed, just click on open. Finally, you're going to be on this page right over here where on the bottom right, as you can see, there's a login button. Simply go ahead and tap on that and click on continue. Once you do that, it's going to take you to a site right over here. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your email, and then you can simply go ahead and instantly log in with email, or you could also use the email and password right over here and click on login, and then you'll be logged in into your account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you